Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ed and today I want to try to bring to life and upgrade my old Toshiba laptop. It is a 2013 laptop which has damaged hard drive and only 4 GB of RAM. All that I want to do as cheap as possible. What I want to do is to fit 250 GB working hard drive which I got from a friend and upgrade to 8 GB of RAM which I bought from Amazon. Also install a Windows 10 on it. It has an original battery from new, which is hard to believe, but the battery on this laptop is still quite good for its age. It has an optical drive in it, which I want to swap with another 500 GB of hard drive. You can buy an insert on Amazon for about £6. Okay, so let's make a small surgery, shall we?